Oh, wait, it's mirrored. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna teach you. I don't like that it's flipped. Oh my gosh, I feel like how can I flip that? It's not showing my beauty side. Wait, but that's also kind of weird as well. I'm gonna show you. I think I like that better. I think that makes more sense to me. Okay. Oh wait, it's like text backwards. I can't read that. It is backwards. Controversial. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to make a video game. I'm currently in my boyfriend's bed. Say hi, boyfriend.
Hello.
Okay. And he's playing Roblox or something. Okay. So I am gonna be making a game. I had this idea a long time ago, but now it's gonna come to fruition in one session, like one gameplay session. So we're gonna start by I have these character models here that I've stolen from another game I was working on, and I stole those from opengameart.org. So shout out to, I forget, there's this guy who makes all these low poly characters. That's really sweet of him. Okay, but then I put them in here, and then I click this button somewhere that's like make it transparent or something. Yeah, this button. And then yeah, that's done. So that's how it's gonna work. Okay, so just lock that in your memory real quick. Well, that's all I've done so far. Now I want this guy to run into things. So there's like a thing somewhere. I'm a great YouTuber. Okay, there's like a thing somewhere, like a physics thing. I don't actually know where it is. I'm just gonna search physics. Oh wait, no, it's called like a. Nowadays it's called like a character. Oh, character body 2D. Okay, this is good. This is like a physics thing that's optimized for like running into stuff. Okay. There's actually, I might change the physics framework to be. Oh. Is there not like box 2D or Jolt? What is default? Wow. Is Jolt only... Jolt is only 3D. I thought it's where box 2D. That's okay. We all have preferences. This isn't really a physics-based game, and I'm being a little anal about it. Okay, so you always want to... So this will let me like put the 3D guy inside of this this physics object, right? So he can run into walls and stuff. So there's this little exclamation mark that says this node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with other objects. That's always like something you can fix. You can type in shape and add a collision shape. If it's a sprite, you can like auto-generate it, but here I'm doing this thing where I have the 3D and I put it in. I have this camera above the 3D object, and I put it in a sub viewport, so it has like this overhead view, but it's only 3D. Like I don't have to make the world. It's only 2D. Like I don't have to make the world 3D. That's my approach right now to mixing these two modalities. Maybe that'll change in the future. But let's call this character viewport UI. I don't know. I don't know anymore, guys. Okay, shape. You can actually choose a file for the shape. I don't know why you would do that, because you can just click like circle shape. I'm noticing that this is really small. Like, what happens if I click play? Like, what's gonna... Okay, yeah. The main one can be the main one. Oh, so he actually has gotten like the darkness of like the evil world. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna add a light in this camera. I'm gonna turn this light off. Like, there's some like world lighting going on here. This is actually not... Like, there is, like, this is not happening. This is really, I'm pretty sure, what is happening. And this looks a little, like, these are just preview things. What the heck is this? Flying saucer? Use trackball. Trackball? What the heck is trackball? Oh, wait, this is all my microphone stuff. My microphone's messing up. Let's see how long my battery will hold out, because high key... Oh my gosh, OBS is using 30% of my CPU. Oh my goodness, okay. My weak ass CPU. I wonder if that means like multi-core. Okay, so I was actually gonna get an overhead version of these like things, like this guy. Am I still in the frame? Yeah, I am. I was gonna use this. I think this picture looked cool. But what else? What was I doing? So, oh yeah, trackball. Good. What is this? Okay, this is an add-on, so trackball, 3-axis trackball. Rotate 3D objects with the trackball navigation. What the hell does that mean? Trackball on. Use trackball. Okay, well, it doesn't really matter. In the end, you know, nothing matters. Let's do a light. Let's add a light. So we're in 3D, so we can add like a lot of types of lights. We have a spotlight, an omnidirectional light, a directional light, and an area light. Area light. That's interesting. I think that's new. Directional light is probably what we're looking for. It's much cheaper to compute than these things. I think these things compute shadow maps. These two, Omni Light. Wait, no, I have it wrong. Wait, yeah, Omni Lights and Spotlights like do shadow maps and stuff. Why am I thinking about this? It doesn't matter. Directional light is, I think, just a dot product in the shader, and that's all we really need right now since there's like one object. Let's give this a go. Let's click play and see what happens. Okay, this is pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good. So, there's clearly a problem here, and it's that this guy is pretty big. But that's okay, we can make him smaller. And I plan to do that by like... Okay, so you can't actually do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this 256 by 256. Maybe that'll be better. Is this just like totally... Okay, so I have to shrink this to fit. I can click stretch, but I would like it to shrink. Wait. Shrink to a little occupy. It's just too much knowledge, honestly. I don't think we were meant to have all that knowledge. But the deal is that this thing definitely needs to be offset by... Can I just click like center, or is it not gonna let me do that? So it's not gonna let me do that, guy. Oh, it will. Oh, yay. Okay, that's great news, everybody. So now we should be able to say this is our character. I don't know. That was such a lame rename. I think renamed it from like character to character. This is kind of a... I don't really like how this pose is happening right now. Oh my gosh, I've been calling this a guy. This is very clearly a woman. I mean, well, not necessarily. That's not very woke.
That's not very woke.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh.
Do you know the GIF?
Wait. Oh yeah.
No.
Not very woke of you. Wait. I'll edit that on the screen right now, guys. Look, it's right there.
As if you could edit this.
Shut up. I'm a good YouTuber. So next. Wait, am I still recording? Oh yes. This is good. Can I see how much file size is taken up? How am I? Oh, 10 minutes. Okay, wait. I think this is gonna be a 3-hour video, and I'll just clip it to the highlights. Dude, it's gonna be so freaking annoying listening to myself talking when I go edit this for 5 hours.
Go edit this?
Of course I'm gonna edit this for 5 hours. I'm a YouTuber.
You can post it without editing.
Wait, what?
You can post it without editing.
No, that's not an option. What are you talking about? Okay, so it keeps getting more pixely. I don't understand. Wait a minute, am I fucking dumb? Of course it is. Why am I... Wow, yeah. That is incredibly stupid. Yeah, of course it keeps getting dumb. Oh my goodness. It keeps getting more pixely. Duh. So we actually want to do this stretch thing and shrink it to be like... Stretch it, let's say like 2. 0. What the heck, why would I want to shrink? I don't know what that is. It's not a mouse target. That's always fun to work with. Ugh. Does it look this pixely in the game? Totally does. So I don't really know what's going on. Is it like anti-aliasing or something that we have disabled here? Rendering, MSAA, 2D, screen space ambient occlusion, it's TAA, temporal anti-aliasing. So I actually don't really know scaling modes. So undersampling, oversampling, isotropic filtering. So I'm not actually a genius when it comes to rendering. I think MSA 3D could help us out here. Oh, it didn't like that. What the heck is... Okay, so that is good. How much effect does it have? It says this is a very high performance cost. Likely unsupported. Okay. Ideally we just like sample at a higher, like we don't need to do this nonsense. So why are we not doing that? What's wrong with there? Oh, it's because it's set to 255 shrink. This, if true, wait, oh my gosh. So this actually changes the size of the viewport. Not what I was looking for. Hashtag lame. Size 2D override. The 2D size override of the sub viewport. What? So what does that like do in practice? Does this like do what I think it does here? Oh my gosh. What is happening? Wait, size 2D override. 2D size effects stretch as well. I'm so confused. That's okay though. Update mode. Update invisible. Always update. I feel like we could, if there was like a manual thing, we could save a lot of performance just by like caching it. Well, no, we might have animations. Who knows? Okay. What are we doing? I think I talk a lot as a YouTuber, which is good, but I think that I don't know what I'm talking about, which may not be good. Okay, I would like to be able to... So if I enable stretch, but I don't want it to be like what I'm thinking it is, like clip contents. That's not it. So whenever can I click expand? I want to be able to shrink this without like actually like downsampling it. Maybe scale could do me some good. Let's see, stretch. The sub viewport will automatically be resize to the control size. That's not really what I want though, I don't think. Unless it is. It probably is what I want. TBJ. Stretch shrink. So this is downsampling. Okay, I don't want to downsample, I want to kinda upsample. We set this to 0.5. Will it still do me good? Those hands are still the same amount of pixely for the size, which is what I'm going for. Then we can click center again, and it still will not. It will not take that into account. Does it not do pivot offset ratio for centering? Okay, that's lame. So Godot in the big 27 does not. Big 26 does not support. Whatever I was talking about. What is this behind me? Oh, wait,
Sorry, I threw you off.
It's my mind is weak. Okay, hey, this is good. This is good. This is what I'm looking for. So at this point, I want to. I think I want the character's arms to go down a little bit. Is there like an animation or something that is being stored here? I don't even think so, which is wonderful. So this is like this is our standard click activated. This is our standard. Oh my goodness, I'm destroying her. So she, oh, there's no rotation. So I could do this. What is that? Can I oh, there was an existing rotation. That sucks. Okay, I'll do minus 75 degrees there. And then I'll do 75 degrees there. Alright, that's pretty good. Is that gonna like move around or something? Alright, well, oh my gosh. I just saw her do it, but luckily she didn't do it. Is it gonna, like, oh my god, she looks so sad. That's okay. She kind of looks like a barrel. That's
Is she brick?
She's kind of brick. She's kind of a brick. Oh, poor girl. Okay. Wait, why is she kind of brick? Oh, it's actually because of her boobs. So
And
she's just brick from the top. She's got like those Lara Croft kind of looking, bricky Lara Croft boobs. Okay. Ooh. I can feel like all the little vertebrae in my neck, crickling and crackling. Wait, is my microphone still audible? That's good. Okay, that's good. What are these things? Horizontal layout. Oh my goodness! Now I look like I'm a newscaster. Hey, this is the global one. Before I made this, there's like some errors where like I don't know, errors is the right word. There was like some evil chicanery going on with the audio. It was really loud. Hey, roll that clip. Roll that clip. Okay. So I feel like I'm never in the frame of the camera. I feel like most
always in the frame.
No, but like I'm doing like I feel like I have it tilted wrong. Okay. What was I doing? Shoot. Okay, wait. Now we have a collision shape, and this collision shape, we have to account for her bustiness and stuff. So we're gonna move this collision shape a bit around, and I think, is this the dead center of her? I would say this is more of her center. So just to be a bit more fair, that's what we'll give her. So we have our character. Now we need to make an office. So maybe it would be better actually to have the game be 3D. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
You just wanted it to be like quick and easy.
But in order to make it quick and easy, like making a 2D like world, a top-down 2D game is really tough. I think I would have an easier time modeling it. Oh shoot. But that means I need to get the what's that thing called? Like Godot. Has this been supplanted yet, or are we still using Godot? GitHub only. I know it's not called Godot replacement. There's like a new one. It's called okay, well there's another one. There's Godot, there's TB Loader, and there's Funk Godot. Let's see what people are saying here. TB Loader has been dead for a year and is still smoother. Oh, dang. Well, dearie me. I no longer activate using it. I have moved over to Funk Godot, which I highly recommend. Okay, well. It's Funk Godot now. Cool. Let's check it out. I'm really bad at setting this up. I wonder if you can just run it. Oh, that's so scary. Okay. Let's get it as an add-on like the Ashes Store. Funk Godot.
Gay little monkey.
Huh?
Gay little monkey in the Apple Store.
Gay little monkey Apple Store. Hey, let's pull that up. Let's pull that up. Gay little monkey boy in Apple Store. Wait, what?
Will he be making a debut in a
Oh. Why is he?
What if the military is the gay little monkey?
No, because this is a child. I can't make you date the child. It's bad.
You're dating the child?
No, what are you talking about?
What's wrong with you?
You
Why are
date
you
the
dating
manager.
children?
Why is this Ed? Oh, that is Ed Sheeran. Why is he that? What is you? Gosh, he looks a little
How
scary.
does he know who that is?
He is him, probably. Dang. This is such a funny photo. Wow. Okay. Did we search or not? Like, hello. Does it not work? For good dog. Look it out. We're always sorting by reviews instead of relevance. Alright, well, that is, am I missing something here? Download Punkado. Okay, so why does it have a link to the same webpage? Look at this. Download Punkado and you click it and it just goes to the same webpage.
Can you make this over this? I could have the blanket.
You want what?
The blanket.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Sorry to interrupt.
That's okay. The phone can wait. Okay, we have a release. The latest release is here. All the contributors are like the Fumo people, so I'm sure it'll be good. Wait, I can do this old fashioned way. Let's see. Open folder. Do I have like an extraction thing, or do I not? I definitely do not. It just opened Minecraft to open a zip file.
Minecraft?
Yeah, like the prison launcher. Okay, let's this game's called Overtime, by the way. So it's called Overtime because it's played. I didn't even really explain anything, did I? I don't know if it's gonna explode. It's called Overtime because it was made in what the fuck am I talking about? It's about an office. Yeah, Funkado Manual. I think there's an online version. Okay. Swag. Add-ons has been worked. Okay, so can we just change the type of the scene to be 3D? Or 3D, I guess. Is this a mistake? Are we making a mistake, I wonder? Ain't no way. Ain't no way I've never made a mistake in my life. Oh, but am I making a mistake? I think we can have some fun at 3D, but it's gonna be more simple. That is very true. Okay, well now we just need to bring in the character. We don't need to deal with any of that nonsense. We can also probably get rid of the camera. Wait, no, we don't need to get rid of the camera. What am I talking about? This is our primary freaking camera now. Oh, I'm getting the sense that we have to deal with freaking node stuff. Okay, to enable an add-on, by the way, you go here and you go to plugins and you click enable. And you click OK. And I think you can add like a Funkado map. It's pretty cool. You can just add and just call it like, you know, map. The local map, well, I need to read the documentation. This thing sucks, bro. I mean, it doesn't suck. It's good. It's a good piece of software. I just remember wrestling with it a little bit, but I'm kind of stupid, so it's chill. Okay. Full documentation is available online. Nah. It is not a framework. It is not a BSP compiler. It is an interpreter. Okay, you freaking lame. Thank you, Shifty. Thank you, Ember. Thank you, Rapstinky. Wait. So there's Hannah Ember Crawford, and there's Ember Lynn. So there's Ember and Ember Lynn. I'm sure that's fine. Let's see. What's it doing? Oh, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. I just love when they have like a diagram on how to download the zip on GitHub. What is the guy on Twitter?
I just want
the rhythm
EXE.
repo. I just want the exe. Okay, this is
No, people hate on him, but I understand.
okay,
I
but
understand him.
okay, but this is on the Twitter algorithm. Like, what would the exe be?
He doesn't know that. Okay,
But maybe he doesn't know that. That's the place he posted it on.
He doesn't know it. Okay. Leave him alone.
Isn't this like the original? Like, just make me a fucking exe. It is, yeah. This is the original. Make a fucking .exe and give it to me.
Make a fucking exe.
It can't be real. Let's check out this guy's website. Wait. Loki, he has AI stuff like on his website. Like, he's a developer. Wait.
Wait,
do you think it
why
inspired him?
Why did he say that then? Did he say that before or after he was a developer?
Well, I think he said like a year or two ago. I think he was either trolling or he learned. Why is there a big button to donate on his? My products and creations are free. I'm currently an unemployed student. $4 a month for my server. Bro, get like a freaking like geek box or whatever.
This guy's never making a buck.
My products are free. The truth is, my products are free, but the world isn't.
So my products aren't free.
Let's see. Let's see if he's gotten any Bitcoin donation. Okay, wait, I'm not like a Bitcoin person, so like, I actually don't know what to do. I mean, so please don't embarrass me. There are 1 blockchains with results. That's swag. Dang, wait, he got $500.
Broke.
Should we send the IRS after
Go
him?
woke or go broke.
Should we email the IRS and say we have a tip?
Say he's broke. I mean woke.
Is he woke or broke?
Is he woke or broke?
I don't know. I don't know how to analyze this. Are these like coming from like somebody break it down for me at Grok at Claude. Break it down for me. Make me understand this now. Okay, well it seems like he has a lot more money than I do. So
Maybe that's the method then.
So wait, is this not his? So like, what is this? JDM at this website. What is this? SwissBitcoinPay.ch.
So,
Oh,
he must be
okay.
doing something.
Buy a Swiss Bitcoin Pay card here. Oh. No KYC. Hold up. Wait a minute. Lock in. This might be what I need to do. Wait. Send it to the Lightning address on your pay card. Okay. So it's a wallet. Why the? Okay, that's so lame.
That was the whole point. We thought it wasn't connected.
Right, but they say no KYC like as if like. Am I stupid? Okay, well then what's the point of like overusing a credit card? I don't know. Well, whatever. I'm stupid. Okay, you download it, then you configure it. Oh, wait, this only works on Windows. Okay, wait. This is important. A local project-wide settings for your other Funkadoor resources. Working with a team, you won't create it. You will use the pre-made Funkadoor local. Okay, wait, as the option. Should I do that? Okay, wait, make GD ignore in your thing. I think it's really weird how like the Linux commands are all really like sexual. Like the one to make a file is called touch. What were you saying? Sorry.
If it was called make a file called pp.ignore. Some guys like that.
Some guys like you to ignore their PP. Some guys like you to touch their PP ignore. Okay, wait. So local config.tres stands for transvestite. Okay, wait. Instead, you will use the pre-made resource found there. Viewing the inspector, view some options. FGD The map editor's game configuration folder. Create a subfolder for your game's configuration. Okay, configuration folder, installation folder. Okay, let's try that. Bruh. We're just kind of gonna go. We're living on a prayer here. Share trench bro. Dang it. Let's see. Dot. Which trench bro? Wait a minute. Trench bro. Wait. Never mind. FGD output folder. Wait. Do you think it's automatically set up? Watch this. Not automatically set up. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait. Trench broom configure Linux. Probably just open it and tell me, but like, is this one big file? Config configuration. Oh no! Oh my gosh! I just lost it. Literally /trench broom. I was right. I was just not the right time. Oh my freaking gosh! Games.
Dude, not to like hurt your feelings, but I'm kind of playing with the anime chick right now.
What kind? What do you mean you're playing with the anime? Okay. So my boyfriend just broke up with me. Can you give me some food?
I was just about to take a nap.
Are you about to take? Okay. Wait, do you need me to pause the video while?
No.
Okay. Am I gonna like game you to sleep?
I was just gonna play this until I went to bed.
Okay. Maybe being hungry will make me a better game developer. I'll be like a starving artist. Let's see. / games. Oh, games. That's it. That's it, bro. Obviously. Wait, I'm in the wrong freaking thing. Game / my game. Wait, why is there a games folder in Trench Broom that had? Is it a like a recursive? Okay. Trench Broom. Let's call this one. What's it called? Overtime. I personally do not like how this is done at all. Okay. Game config folder. This might, but doesn't have to be the same as your FGD output folder. Automatically FGD output folder. Edit a path. Location of your project. The map editor considers the location of your project. So I guess this would be probably this map folder here, right? Maybe, I don't know. Exporting a local. Well, click this button. Alright. It's in my world. Okay. Map settings for game path models folder project settings. What is this? I don't know what that is. I feel like there's another thing somewhere here. Game config. What are we talking about here? I feel like, wait. Where is this? Game the project settings. Local config properties. Godot local config resource. I forgot. This is just really confusing. Default map. Build settings. Entity FGD. Entity settings. Defaults. Wait. This could be in here. Genius alert. Local map file. Map or VMF file.
Local what?
I don't know. Local what, man? Local. Do we have like default map settings? Okay. It's DFGD. Map editor. Target map editor is print room. Export the FGD. Oh, I think it's ready. Wait, do I need to like make it like a textures folder maybe inside of the map? Why does it have a tilde here? That's not good. That's really bad. How am I supposed to get rid of that? Oh. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna wait, it's almost like a gigabyte. This is a big video. What am I doing?
Oh, did you stop it?
No. I'm just watching it being created before my eyes. I feel like I should be careful. Let's see.
I'm gonna open our slash, not our slash secrets.
My secret?
Secrets.
What did I open? What am I looking for? What is wrong with me? I can't remember what this thing is called. Overtime. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need to get more sleep. Okay. If I click it's a trash. My home directory is still fine, right? Okay. That's why here's the thing though. Did it obviously just not like in fact it's making me not. It did. So what are we thinking? Let's see. That's what I was trying to see. Okay, it's back. Why are you so annoying? Let's see. The game. Select the game. How did it do this then? Why did it? I feel like I should have been able to. This is like how? No, like I want to go here, man. Like that's it. Oh, you cannot use like. I understand. Like this is the type of stuff we're doing. Gotcha. I don't trust Godot to remove this directory at all, actually. He installed again. Am I still rolling? I am. Okay. Good night. Okay. Keep that open, maybe. And then once I get in here, I'm gonna go to map. I'm gonna click this. And I'm gonna. Oh, that's also up. I'm gonna actually export it. Then I'm gonna go in Trenchbroom. And maybe actually while. Oh, did I get rid of my map folder? I thought I had a map folder. Map folder with that name already exists. Okay, well clearly does not. Can you not like show empty folders or something? Kind of weird. It's okay though. We'll just take a new folder here called textures, I guess. Eyelash on my screen, an eyebrow hair. Stunning. Now we are free. We are right as rain. Alrighty. We're gonna call this, is it here? Why is it not here? Figure engines. This is freaking horrible. So I only have Funkado. We don't have Junior Gentile. This is a flagship game, by the way, for what it's worth to all of you. Move there, man. Why not, like, when you only have one instance of Funkado working? That's stupid. Let's see here. JD name. Okay, let's call this overtime. Export GD. So then that maybe should prevent a, I guess if it's caching the first one it sees. Still not seeing it. Generic. Clearly something is not working. If the FTD is still like... Why did I leave the directory? Wait. What this is about. I don't know why it took so long to start that. Let's see. Overtime. Okay. So... But this does not have... Like... Nothing is saying like this is... LS overtime. Did I delete the wrong one? I think I did. I think I totally did. I did approve overtime. Alright, well. I'm sure everybody at home was probably screaming through the screen. My loyal viewers. My back hurts. Oh, I should be sitting in the bed. Alright, let's see. I'm going to make a new map here, and it's going to appear. I'm manifesting it. It did not appear. It just didn't appear. Why not? Funkado. Is it like in the wrong place, or... Very confused here. We have overtime the GD. The last didn't be game config. That does look pretty thorough. Game config. So I have an FJD exported. Do I have a game config exported? Do I need a game config exported? Maybe I do. Game config. Hey, that was promising. Game config. Game config folder. Does that be the same? You export your trenchbroom game config. Export. Okay. Trenchbroom game config. Do we make a game config? Where do we make that? Map settings. Settings. Building. Okay, so maybe this is local config. Does this have a game config attached to it? Nope. Let's see. Funkido TB game config. Seems about right. Game config is going to be over time. Textures root folder is going to be called textures. That sounds great. That sounds great to me. Now when it says the textures root folder, is that relative to the game path? Oh, what's the game path? Well, I think we defined the game path here, right? Game map editor game path. Let me see, it's slash map. Gotcha. Alright, this is every time we can export it. Bada bing, bada boom, trench room. It's been like 5 years of setting this up, so much for a quick thing. But here we are, game not found. That's fine. That's super fine. Game path. So the way it did it is it just sounded like this. So I'll just do something here. Repos, overtime map. Probably want that to be an absolute path instead of like a mismatch thing. Alright, how about that? Let's try it. New map. This looks like it could be good. We don't have any textures, I don't think yet. Is that gay monkey apple store? Surreal to nonsensical. What the fuck is that? Often repeating the catchphrase, "My name is Gay Little Monkey, and I'm from the Apple Store." Is he repeating a catchphrase? Maybe he is. Okay. That's swag. Can you get one with like a caption? You know what? That'll work. Where are we going? Let's get a repos over time. Map. Textures. Gay. Monkey. Gay little. Monkey. At the Apple Store. Okay. I'm game with that. Let's try that. Let's, we need to click this refresh button. Oh yeah, here we are. Alright, this will be our stomping grounds, if you will. Let's see if we can't, oh, that's not my intention. Here we go, we can do this, and then we can, Alright. Looking pretty swagger. Let's see. I don't know what that is. That's kind of scary though. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm one step away from damnation with this file picker. Let's call this office. This is the office map. Sounds pretty good to me. Alright, good stuff. Let's see if we can make it work. Alright, we have a, let's say local map versus a global map. Well, I guess this means it's like within the repo or something. So why are we like, oh my gosh, I'm stupid. I put in the Godot ignore file. Wait, why did I do that? It told me to do that for a reason. What was the reason? Installing it. Project configuration. Okay. The autosave subdirectory. Okay, yeah, I should have probably imagined that. Is there anything where I can like, reveal these secret files or something? Yes. Okay, should be like an autosave folder at some point, but I haven't seen it appear. I'm just gonna delete the GD for now. And let maps back in, maybe. Maybe we might need to restart this whole operation. It's okay though. Alright. Yeah, that's on. So, let's see. Gosh, I just got a jump scare. Oh, it's scanning. Alright, let's see local. Let's hit map. Map, office format. Build it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Textures, base textures, directories, not res textures, but map textures. Let's build it again. Oh yeah. That is recognizable, to say the least. Alright, I'm liking it so far. I think we're heading in a good direction. Okay, and then let's lower this by one. Then build it. Great stuff. Okay. Really good stuff. Probably need to keep this in mind that this is the forward direction. Let's try rotating it like this, and building. Alright, perfect. So, we have our office. Let's work on some code that will let us just run around. Now that we obviously have this character model, we probably need to change its type to be a, let's see, let's have a node, make a new node here. Call it, model. Let's put them both in there. Drag it into the model so we can, deal with that like, however we want to. Then we can make a, first let's change this type. Currently it's a character, which is very, well, no, currently the type is a node 3D. Which doesn't do anything besides, like, you can overwrite some draw stuff, and you have, like a name, position, all that stuff. Okay. Character body 3D. Alright. We have a shape, vision shape 3D. Those are always nice. Generally, people go for capsule shapes for people. I don't know if that's definitively the move here, because that's usually if you're going up and down surfaces, which we are not. This is a pretty good radius, though, I feel like. So, that's good. Let us add some movement. So, there's a lot of ways to organize a Godot project. Let's see. Organizing a Godot project. Okay, this robot says organize by context or feature rather than asset type. Trace structure. How do we have this structure currently? I don't think this is good. Let's see. I probably don't need to be viewing these files permanently. It might get annoying. Oh wait, we have a character folder. Oh, never mind. Where's flag? Feature-based structures. Small medium games. System structure. I'm interested in organizing a project, nodes, and like behavior. Let's say source road. blah 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 blah. So we could resources. Gumo. Good night. We can color code. We can color code. That's pretty cool. I wonder where the microphone is. I actually don't know. Oh well. That's where the camera is. Saying. Liskov substitution. Barbara Liskov. Let's see. Barbara Liskov, you're hardcore. Damn. '86. God bless you, Barbara Liskov. Miss Liskov. Let's see. Jump scare. Let's do it based on behavior. Let's add a node here. Let's just call it character movement. Cool. Skips a thing in character called character movement. Yeah, sure. I've been trying using this editor called Zed. I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't know how I feel about it, but yeah, it's really like a very pushy with its like AI stuff. It seems to run pretty well. I'm using it in context where using Vim in the terminal isn't really friendly, I guess. Like whenever something wants to open a window like Godot, it just kind of sucks to use Vim in the terminal, and then my config breaks and whatever. I thought I'd give it a try. Okay, we have character movement. Nothing really. I guess it's like a physics process thing. What am I looking for? It's like a move thing, like a move. Oh my gosh. Actually, let's make this a class name. Just in case we do something very intrinsic with it. I don't even know what we would do, but like I really don't know what we would do. But transformed up basis. I guess of the right. It's based on the first person perspective. Should we actually make something per character? I guess restoring data. So Or like just for references even. Character. Okay, well, just stupid to have a novel thing there. Barbara Nicholas caricature, which is going to be a character. And that's what we say. Move and collide, and probably motion should be calculated using delta. This uses it automatically. Let's use move and slide. I guess this is if I set the velocity. So would it be? It's like, what the heck is that? Okay, that's interesting. It's like an escape trait or something. Let's see here. We can. Let's just say like movement directions, like input get access. Direction, I think there is a thing that will get you like a full get vector. Well, yeah, that explains it. Negative x. Let that well, it's time to make some inputs anyway. Move left, move right, move up, move down, interact. Let's give that a try, and then E for that. Looking pretty snazzy. We have what? Negative. Negative x, positive x, negative y, positive y. I wish this was in like a different font or like highlighted or something. Don't know if that's a limitation of the IDE or the extension. It does seem very fast though. Maybe not as fast as Vim, but like much faster than VS Code. So give it a try. I don't know if I said it's called Z. It's the editor, I think. Negative x, positive x, negative y, positive y. Okay. Move left, move right, move up, move down. Let's say that we have our stuff out of the loss. Our character out of the lock equals number is that normalized equals the move. Move straight to x. Here, that way. Move and slide, and then cool. I guess we multiply this by some speed or something, but. Could probably, well, let's just make a constant, and then we can just say I actually know what these numbers are going to end up acting like, so speed equals, I totally forgot a sprinting keybind. Sprint. Could be fun. And also we're going to need change or like swap or like void button. Void button is going to be a space. Right. So speed is going to be walk or sprint speed if input is rest sprint else Works for me. Cool. Let's give it a try. Is gravity intrinsic to the whole game? Looks like he's wearing a diaper. That's so funny. On evasive object, no, we did not assign that. Yep. Can we say that, like... configuration warnings. That sucks. Very, very lame. Very, very lame. It's always just like these. I really like Godot, but there's always like these little things. Like it's like unpacking an array, or sometimes like the way you have to like assign arrays is kind of yucky. There's no like nullable typing. This way you like, if you're using typing, you can't return null. Like there's no like built-in optional or like error handling. I am going to do this. It comes up. Sucks. By definition, breaking change. Why would it? Well, keep me posted. Actually, keep me posted. I might check my email, but. Okay, well, that's just what we'll have to do. To test out, oh, okay, that's interesting. So we do fall off the thing a little bit. You're not actually falling though. Let's see. All of the directions are backwards. That's okay. Can either invert that or get in here. I don't know if Godot is one of those Y positive goes down games. Alright, I think that's like the 2D. I don't really like that. I understand like where they're coming from, like the top left of the screen being like a good origin point in it. I really don't like that. Actually, I think that 0, 0 should be in the middle of the screen. Controversial opinion. Okay. Here's what I think we should do. I think the visual rotation of the model should also like kind of try to go towards the whenever like while we're moving. So if character dot velocity. So if we have it like if it is not 0 procs, then we want to move and slide, obviously. And we also want to do this rotation thing. So if we can take get the character model, it's just like it's like an O3. I think I'm liking this whole export to do everything and never using the $sign or the node kind of deal. It's like a path. I think this is very healthy feeling. I'm liking how this is going. And also ensure that the character model is valid. But at the same time, like, it's just kind of annoying, isn't it? Character model dot rotate. It's like a orientation dot orientation is that? I think it's like Y, right? Yep. I love the whole thing with the colors. It's like really, I don't know. Well, wait a minute. Is there like a rotate? There's a rotate toward. How does this work? The wrapping is what I'm looking for, by the way. Angle wrapping manually is it's not fun. It's like something mod 360 plus 360 mod 720 or something. I don't know. Toward it returns a float, so it's from float to float, delta float. So we're just gonna say this. You are U from float from character model dot rotation dot y to character dot, I guess like what, tan 2 int dir dot y dir dot x and by like 0.1 or something. Not like here enough for absolute angle things. That's only if we're moving, by the way. Oh, the assertion failed. Genius. That's good that failed. Alright. It's still pretty. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It could just be off by a little bit. Can I sign this if this is not a constant expression? Nope. So let's take a look here. It's not at that high, is it? We're not in freaking JavaScript or C# or whatever. Oh, I don't have to do that either. Or that. What am I doing? Alright, let's give this a shot. Okay, so I think we need to put a negative on this. Maybe the Y movement for some reason. I don't know exactly why. Just getting that vibe. Okay, I'm kind of late. I'm liking how this is working, but I do think it needs to have some more gumption, more gusto. This is 777. That's a very lucky number. If you didn't know, that's what they put in the slot machines. Let me show you a picture. I don't think so. Actually, this is an angel number. Angel number. Then we're gonna go actually to shopping. I kind of like the vibe of this. This might be something good to add to the game. 444. I feel like a good combo thing. Anyway. Oh, that is really aggro, man. Let's see here. So 777 is a bit much. So let's try 333. You know what? Skip the decimals. If it's not 777, I don't want it. It's a bit much as well. 0.2 could be good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm not opposed to this. I might argue that it could be yeah, I don't know. This is, I feel like, pretty fast pace already. And then you're gonna be, what, walking? I I think that the zoom should be a little bit like, here's my idea, I'm gonna 20 FOV, so it looks pretty isometric, or maybe like a 35, and then we just like zoom it like way up, like blah, blah, blah. I did this method in another game I was working on called Vision Keep, and but like as an isometric thing. Oh my gosh, she really looks like a brick now. I'm so sorry, babe. God. But this like makes it a lot less distortion from the perspective, which is like kind of a cool effect. Well, let's give it a try. Or no, let's give it a try. Let's maybe model some of the office a bit more. Let's say like a, what's that one? It's like called like CG Haven or something. Heaven. I don't know how I feel about this. This is not it. It's called like CG. It's like that one free texture website. What is it called? I think it's ambient CG. Gosh. CG Haven. What the hell am I thinking? It's like a carpet or something we probably want. Fabric and leather. Let's see. Like an office-y carpet. Oh, I'm losing feeling in my legs. I wonder if I can. Let's see. Do I look presentable? I kinda do. I could probably put my hair down. I was cleaning earlier. Ow. Okay. Re-scrunch it up. I'm not really a hair pro. Okay. This is kind of an awkward position. It's gonna be like double chin mode, but that's okay. Okay. Let's see. For something like office. Let's take a look at the picture of office. What does it look like? There's cubicles. Yeah, some very like dreary gray carpet. It's a type of category. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's already dark themed. 3D assets, not one. Oh, this is awesome. I'll bookmark this for later. So, like, gray is what I'm looking for. This is a very, I don't know, this is like, I don't know if I can carpet. I think it's like, but maybe this is the one, like, this colored around. This, like, dang, maybe this is it. Sheesh, PBR maps. Let's do it. Let's try a 1K JPEG folder. Yeah, let's try. Let's do 2K JPEG. Yeah, I've done it. I've gone and done it. Oh, I'm so visible. Yeah. No textures. Oh, okay. I really dislike the way of doing things here. USDC. Sorry, did it extract a T-res? What? Am I crazy? I think I'm getting the picture. Okay, so we're gonna move this into here. And then we're going to go in there, unzip the dang thing. Where does it go? Go into Google. And then we have to, like, maybe in the trench room thing, we do something different. We go. Materials, base material directory. Map. Mats. Okay, so let's do this and then see if somehow, like, go into trench room and say, yeah, we use this material instead of the texture. So that's going to be a rough cell. If I add this, what happens? Like, what on earth happens? Anyway, so we have it. I mean, behold. It's not available. That's okay. Whatever. So here's what I'm wondering is if we can go into the material and take this out and move this. And then move this into the move this into the textures. And then do something like this. And then I guess that is the material. I'm so confused. Yeah, let's refresh this and then add that, right? Yo. was a little dumb right there, but that's okay. Wow, yeah, I don't know what to think about that. That is not like this. That we've used this wall. Mats, fabric. Yep, go for it. Build it. Alright. Sweet. We're just gonna put this mats, I guess. And like, pray for forgiveness, maybe. Who knows what we're gonna do? Build it, clear it, build it, and Tira is still messed up. Dang. You know what? Let's just get rid of all this for now. And yeah, let's just for now. Let's why is the game monkey at the Apple Store over too? Whatever. Let's just put all this in the textures. Let's actually delete this and rename this to be that. Save. Go to settings. Reload. Boom, check up here. Reload this. Go here. Clear build. Okay. Let's set this as a 0.1. Where did we go? There it is. Okay, this is very clearly not like what I was looking for, but This is actually just not what I'm looking for. Let's see. Well, if it's not the right color, then you can just tint it, I guess. Well, let's see how it plays. I don't know. It's pretty sterile. Let's see. Change it a little bit. Let's see here. This might have to be near the end, everybody. But that's okay. I'll be back another day. Like this, maybe. What I was looking for. Let's give that a try. Dang, it's kind of a big file. Well, at least memory is. Let's see. Oh, it's not too big. Alright. Here we go. Alright. And there we have it. I think it's time to go now, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.